Oh, look at us. But look at us. Oh, honey. You're looking beautiful today. Okay, hello. I'm so sorry for my absence. I think Nicole deleted me because I wasn't being active and stuff. I'm sorry. I have had so much schoolwork, and I've had so much freaking schoolwork. It literally sucks. And my mouse batteries have been halfway dead, so I haven't been able to do anything. Yesterday, I thought that they completely died, but it turns out they didn't. I just had the on button off. I just had the on button down, which means off. But yeah, I don't know why I was looking at that. Like, oh, okay, I'm just gonna look at this for no apparent reason. Anywho, did she take my gloves off? She took my gloves off. Okay, I'm sorry. So, Naomi Igore has my email password and stuff like that. And I have hers, so it's pretty much there. So I will be playing on her account sometimes. I don't know if I'll be doing a video about it. But she can get on my account whenever she wants to. Yeah. I just don't allow her to spend my star coins without my permission. I can only tell her to buy stuff with my star coins because it's kind of sad because it literally feels like a hacker to me. I've never been hacked before, but one time I used to play this game called Animal Jam. Oh my god, I love that game, but now it just got way too popular. I was getting in too much drama. As y'all all may know, I freaking hate drama. I hate it, literally. I'm gonna die. If someone starts talking about someone and it's like gossip, nope, not happening today. Is that a snake? Swear to God, if that's a snake, I'm gonna scream. Because I found 2 copperhead snakes in my actually 3 in my backyard. Oh no, it's a snake. Okay, few. And then I found my dad found a rattlesnake on my neighbor's tree. And yesterday we found a trash panda, aka a raccoon, in our backyard. Oh my god, yeah. Freaking scary. My dad sadly had to shoot it because then it would get in our house, give all of our animals rabies if it even had it, destroy all of our furniture and stuff, and that stuff is expensive to replace. Like, I'm not kidding. Not when we had to replace it, but I've seen on, like, TV shows, like, real TV shows, like, reality shows, when their dog tears up stuff, they have to pay, like, $1,000 to, like, replace their, like, couch and stuff like that, like, yeah. So, it's really good. Chicken. Hi, chicken. But, yeah. One thing that people ask me sometimes, musically, why haven't you been doing any Star Stable videos? Well, I'm sorry. Musically, well, I'm sorry. My mouse is halfway dead and I ain't got no time for this. Gosh. So, yeah, I posted a musically saying, sorry, I haven't been doing, don't talk to me, lady, oh, Jesus. Don't talk to me, no, I'm not saying hi to you, nope. But, yeah, and I posted a musically saying, I'm sorry, I haven't been doing much, I feel like people are doing videos, and I'm just interrupting them, but, like, sorry, I haven't been doing much Star Stable videos, I have just been so busy, like, my mouse is halfway dead and stuff, I say like that. Like, not really excuses, but kind of sort of excuses, but the truth. But I did post a musically today, so be happy. Ooh, the Shires. I really like this one. This one's my favorite, because it's the Dapple Gray. Oops. Because it is a Dapple Gray, and little deal, you'll probably all know this, I freaking love Dapple Grays. Dapple Grays are my favorite. I don't know why. They are, like, Don't touch me. People will be like, oh my god, doppelgangers are mine. You're stealing my favorite. You can't be after me. I'm like, no, I am. I just woke up with doppelgangers. So weird. Okay, you might think I'm going crazy. You might think I'm a little nuts. But I love every single horse that isn't bright. I don't like light colored horses, but I like white horses. I don't know why I don't like bright colored horses. Like, you know the blonde, the blondie version of this song, kind of, sort of. Yeah, I don't like that. Cause it's bright. I need help. I need help, y'all guys. I need seriously help. But yeah. Also, I've gotten a little insane with cats. Well, all my friends know this. Everybody knows I'm a crazy cat lady because I love freaking obsessed with cats. I mean, who would it be? I realize I just keep on doing this every single time. It's getting really annoying right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop chit-chattering and let's talk about my absence. But yeah, again, I'm very sorry about my absence. It's just I don't like school. School is pretty annoying. It's been getting in the way of stuff. But I have to for good education and go to college and then probably be a veterinarian. Or maybe a zookeeper. That's a word I thought I would never say. Okay. Anywho, I just want to say I will be playing Star Stable more often. I just won't be doing much videos about it because usually I have no ideas what to do. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you did, and I'm gonna end the video with a big head. So comment down below if you like this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. 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 Oh, her head just went through mine. Oh my god. This is pretty much just what I'm going to do from now on. I'm going to do some bloopers that I've done from this video, from videos for now on. So, here are some. Oh, okay. You were moving and you're in the wrong spot. Oh my god. Got a really big head and I don't even care. I need to back it up. Maybe I should start my video like right here. Maybe I just should. Wait, no. Oh my god, is that Emma? It's Emma. Oh my god. Oh lordy. My god.